Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display Elementor header for login user only in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Now go to Elementor page and then you see header. So we are going to display this header for login user only and hide from non-login user. Now go to dashboard again. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write visibility logic for Elementor. So this is plugin visibility logic for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor page. Now open your Elementor header. Now you see Elementor header, so open it. So we are going to display Elementor header for login user only. So we are in Elementor header section. So this is our main container. Now click on edit container. On left side you see layout, style, advanced visibility. So this is our new option. So click on it. Now you see general, enable visibility logic, enable this option. So we are going to display this header to login user only. Now you see show hide action. Now select show. And then you see condition type all. If all condition need to be met or just one in order to trigger the hide or show action. So it's up to you. And then you see user role. So click on it. And then you see enable. Yes. And then you see roles. So we are going to display Elementor header for login user only. Now you see roles. So click on it. And then you see login user. Now select. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page. Now refresh the page. So we are already login. Now you see header. Now copy this link. Open it. Now you see Elementor header hide for non-login user, only visible for login user. Now close this. Now you see header visible for login user only in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.